The original building at 183 Haverhill Street was dedicated in 1849 in honor of former Lawrence Mayor Henry K. Oliver. It was then rebuilt in 1917 to make space for an additional 500 students in grades 1 through 5.
The new Oliver School project, dedicated on August 12, 2025, expanded the space from 75,000 square feet to the current 162,000 square feet, with room for 1,000 K-8 students in two schools, Oliver Elementary and Oliver Middle.
The original three-story neoclassical revival structure on the south facade was preserved, maintaining many of the Oliver's unique historical features, while creating a state-of-the-art, fully accessible school built for 2025 and beyond.
The north facade blends a modern curtain wall glass, providing light on the inside and beautiful view on the outside, with traditional building materials like stone and terracotta to complement the original brick granite structure. The Oliver now has 50 classrooms, 4 STEM labs, and 3 outdoor learning classrooms over 6 stories. Sustainable features have been incorporated for an expected LEED Silver designation from the U.S. Green Building Council.
This new school was a 10-year journey from initial statement of interest to completion, with over 3 years of construction, following groundbreaking in spring of 2022.
That included 415,000 labor work hours over 864 workdays, with up to 162 workers on a given day.
Those workers moved 989 truckloads of soil, 2,700 pieces of structural steel, and 130 precast concrete planks. They installed 334 windows, 364 doors, and 9,700 square feet of curtain wall. 2,098 terracotta panels in 3 different finishes, and a veneer of 221,000 bricks.
If you enjoy scavenger hunts, look for the City of Lawrence flag that has been included in 10 design elements around the building. How many can you locate? Finally, because the new Oliver School takes up more space than a city block, the existing Cardillo Way was modernized for better neighborhood access.
The City of Lawrence and Lawrence Public Schools are pleased to welcome students, families, staff, and the entire community to this wonderful new space.
See you in school!